GORO Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. And I'm answering what I'm buying, what I'm not. It is very brief 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically, gold resource stock, I actually quite... I was definitely keeping an eye on the bullish side here. Beforehand, I wanted to see a double break to take it further up. I saw a double break after a longer time period, then break-evens got hit there. With all that to say, I'm still just looking to get involved into that trade, you know, because it's all just over the place. Practically speaking, decent break, and now hopefully I can use something here and buy from there, but unless I do see the price really pulling down and giving me some sort of double break, then there's just gonna be no way that I'm gonna look to buy, right? Randomly buy in this case. So hoping to see the second shift taking place, and if not, I guess so be it, you know. I guess it was not meant to be a buy, at least for me. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 and 10K trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.